Okay, let's proceed to the second way of earning, and that is the patronage reward. Now, this is how you enroll others. You use the ls space tab command. Later on, we will introduce the MITRE, but right now, it's working. You can try this one. ls space tab. You follow the parameters, the syntax, send it to our gateway, and you can actually see it will generate you income. Medyo lang yung system, it works wonder. Now, the enrollee will receive notification via SMS. Remember, pag nag-enroll kayo, wala ng card. So your enrollee will receive the ID number, NPIK, via SMS. Klaro po yan, ha? And hindi tayo dependent dito sa telco because we're not waiting for their loading. Except that, of course, I'm afraid that because of congestion, pwedeng magkaroon ng delay ng delivery ng message. When that happens, you can actually request for resending or request sa CRMP. Now, 50 peso balance is automatically credited to the new account and the enroller, the techno user, will earn 50 pesos. Let's talk about the second way. The second way is patronage reward. And it's very simple. You earn 1% of 100 people. That means kung meron kayong 1,000, 2,000 people under your network, at ang average purchase nila is 100 pesos per month, then you will earn 1 peso from each one. This is very simple. Instead of putting the cap at the 8th level, you can now earn from the first level down the 10th. Whether you're a technopreneur or tech user, you will earn the same up to the 10th generation, and that's 1%. Let's assume that each one is buying 100 pesos. 100 pesos. If everyone buys 100 pesos under your network, you will earn 88,000 pesos monthly. That is aside from your earning kanina sa subscription sales. So this is monthly. If everyone buys 100. Now may question ako. If you're on top of your consumer network and you're earning 88,000 or even less, sabi natin kalahati niyan, 40,000, you think you will not increase your consumption of prepaid products? You'll definitely increase. So, what if everybody now buys 300? Then your monthly earnings becomes 300, 265,000 every month. That's a theoretical number. Sabihin mo lang success rate mo 50%, still 130,000 is a nice monthly earning. And if everybody buys 500, you will definitely earn 400,000 pesos monthly. And we're talking here of prepaid mobile telephone use. We haven't talked about consumption of Cifadin, Apollo. We haven't talked about Malayan insurance and other things that you can buy that instantly MITRE will compute for you. This is just how simple the business is. Gusto niyo ba ng income na yan? Yes! It will automatically, you can try this one because this is now running. MITRE products are now available. You can actually redeem it using your Load Extreme wallet. Diba sa online, haven't you noticed merong MITRE products sa ilalim? That's the MITRE products. Now, the question now is, why is MITRE sustainable? How can we sustain this kind of business? And the answer is because subscribers are required to purchase MITRE products to qualify in earning patronage reward. If you don't buy MITRE products, you won't qualify in earning. So kung may downline kayo na bumibili ng MITRE, pero hindi kayo bumili, you will not receive commission from their purchases. How much you required monthly consumption? You can buy as low as 100 pesos and as high as 500 pesos. For the 100 peso load, it is good for 10 days qualification. 10 days. For 300 and 500, it's good for 30 days. It's not calendar month. Depende kung kailan kayo huling bumili ng MyTurf products. So if you buy 300, you're good for the next 30 days. Alright? So everybody now earns commission from MyTurf. We call that qualification qualifying period. And this is the example of the products. Let's say, bumili ka ng Smart Turf 300. That is good for 30 days. If you notice, dun sa column na nakalagay PR/level, that means patronage refund per level, may nakalagay doon na 3 pesos. Ibig sabihin doon, kapag may bumili ng 300 pesos na Smart Turf, you will earn 3 pesos from that person. If the person is within your 10 level. Okay? Now imagine if you have thousands of people buying this. And because the reason why they're buying, it's not because required lang sa kanila yun, because Smart was able to offer you a very good value for money product. Hindi ko masabi sa inyo, excited sana ako sabihin, pero nakatingin sa akin dito yung representative ng Smart. Hindi, pero hintayin nyo lang, exciting yun. It's really value for money. Sabi nga ni Chris, sulit. Sulit, because what is sulit? Tinanong ni James. It's getting more than what you paid for. So, what will happen now when your downline misses to buy the required MyTurf products? Ito mangyayari. We will apply dynamic compression. Ano yung dynamic compression? Scientific. Well, MyTurf employ dynamic compression to ensure that you earn on all levels. Ibig sabihin, pag meron isa na hindi bumili, yung mga downline niya na bumili, aakyat dun sa level niya. Correct? So if a person, let's say, this person, hindi to bumili, nasa second level mo, then this 3 will become your third. Yung ito magiging third, yung dalawa pupunta rito. Mas matter. Is that good or very good? So, no levels ang walang earning. Hanggat may tao bumibili ng MyTurf products, then you will earn from that. You will earn from that. This feature will ensure that there's no breakage to the company. Meaning, yung allotted commission payout, you will get it. So, we're selling initially we will sell prepaid products. And now you see Cifadin and you have Apollo, and mind you, these are great products, especially Apollo Oral Health Paste. We're not calling it toothpaste, it's not toothpaste, it's for oral care. The whole thing, the gums, the mouth itself, even your throat. And a lot of people in Manila who used it, talagang nagandahan sila sa produkto. It's a product of Malaysia. And I'm encouraging you to try the product. You can get one from the nearest IBC or from your Suking IBC. You buy from them. And the purchase of these products entitles you to qualify from MyTurf earnings, to qualify in the program. At lahat ng purchases ng Apollo and Cifadin gives commission to the upline techno user or technopreneur. Now the question is, if I'm a technopreneur and I have a downline technopreneur, will I earn from the techno users of that technopreneur? The answer is yes. For example, if say for example you have 5 technopreneurs and you personally sponsor these 5 technopreneurs, all their techno users becomes your second level. So if you have 5, diba in binary you are only limited to having 2, right? But under the MyTurf program, your 5 direct friends will become your first level. So as a technopreneur, the 5 technopreneurs will be your first level. And their techno users will become your second level. So you earn from their techno users. That's the wonder of this business. And it is start by finding your three. So it's very simple. Yung programa na to, kayang-kaya ng kahit sinong Pinoy. Kahit sino na may 300 pesos, of course, hindi lang yung puhunan. You need to reload your account para makapag-enroll. Without balance, you cannot enroll other tech users. At least for 1,000 pesos, you can do the business. And what's more, if you present this opportunity, ang tendency ng mga can afford 3,988 is to buy 3,988. Tama? The more na may reason silang bumili ng 3,988 because technopreneurship has the, or technopreneur package has the advantage compared to techno user. Likewise, a techno user, you don't lose the opportunity to sign up the person kasi mura lang. And once na nagkapera yung techno users, mag-upgrade yan to technopreneur, and that same person will be under you and earn from mileage. Tama ba? So you don't lose any opportunity to sign up people. Well, basically, that's demo. Before anything else, I'd like you to, alam nyo, kami lang as B-Mobile nagsasalita dito. And we're very, very thankful to our partner, although hindi kami exclusive partner ng Smart Communications. We're very thankful for the kind of support they're giving us. Alam nyo, yung idea of a consumer network for an exclusive product is something new maybe to them and to us. Pero we're very thankful because every day, nakatutok mo sa email, nakikita ko yung exchanges ng email, and it's progressing. Lahat, very supportive yung company in providing us a unique short code for yung gateway and a special product. And I just want to give this moment to proudly thank you and excite you to Mr. John Neri, sorry, to give you some words about the project.